Hello everybody, come on in. Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making a beautiful snowman theme. Hello, this is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays. Okay, with that said, let's get this exciting wreath started. We are working with varieties of snowmans, different snowmans, and some variety colors of Christmas bulbs. We got some boogaloos, which I made out of pipe cleaners and just popped them into the bubbles. We got some of these bigger ornaments too. We also got mesh. I think this is 10-inch mesh, the silver pretty one. And this candy cane. These which I purchased at Hobby Lobby. The rest of the items are 99 cents. I also cut up some pieces of mesh and just twist them around. This is going to go on top. Okay, with that said, let's get started. I got this in the 99-cent store, which I pinned up. I already put the mesh on. So we just take the bit together like this and insert it right here. How's everybody doing in TV land? Hope all is good. And happy holidays. I love the Christmas. Okay, right there. We got that going. We also got this part. We're going to put up here. Tighten it up and insert this right there. Look how lovely. Something fun. Okay, let's get these. These ones are so cute. Get this one. Right here. This one right here. Let's get the boogaloo in here. Like that. Another one right here. How wonderful that is looking. Wow. Okay, let's get these going over here. Right in here. Down. How's it looking, everybody? Get some greenery up in here. Oh, beautiful. Now we're going to do this side. Oh, yeah. There. Get some boogaloos going up in here first. Got a pine cone. Oh, yeah, that's what I forgot. I was wondering. Remember now, this stuff I can visualize and get your stuff balanced out. Your decorations. There we go, Mr. Snowman. I'll put this one right here. Put the boogaloos. Get some green up in here. And you know, I think I am going to pin this beauty up so we can visualize a lot better. And now let's go. Uh-oh. See, that's how you should use the glue gun for it. Let me fix my camera. So you can get a better view. They're all falling. Glue gun, you know. Me, I'm just going to take this apart. So, there. How beautiful is that, everybody? Looking pretty good, huh? Use your mind, imagination, and wow. Boing. And a glue gun. Okay, let me see. There, how beautiful. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Let's get some of these other ones around. Excuse me. Around here. There. Let me see. Is need another one? We'll put another one right here, and I think we got it, everybody. Oh, we forgot the pine cone. Pine cone. Sit it right here. Let's see if it stays. And there it is, everybody. Let me step back and visualize and look at the beauty. Oh, wow, how beautiful. Once again, everybody, I want to thank you for subscribing, and thanks for coming to check out my channel. I appreciate it, and I will continue to bring you some more beautiful creations. Happy holidays, and hope you got some inspiration or ideas. Till then, see ya. And thank you. Look at that. So cute, Mr. Snowman. Thank you.